Hey, good morning, Mike and Charles. And I'm also CCing Antoinette on this because I know Antoinette's not going to be around at 5 o'clock. And it's more for Mike and Charles in case you guys want to prepare something or have some idea you would like to jump in these citizen science things. And I'm going to show you the few slides that I will be showing this afternoon and the idea underlying it. So, by the way, I didn't know. I just found out that tomorrow is the Citizen Science Day. Yeah, that's amazing. And basically, there are two things that I would like to emphasize. One, they can have their kids and themselves doing citizen science things without being connected to us. And they can either go to blogs. There are blogs that support citizen science type of projects in earth science and climate change, Alzheimer's research, and all kind of things. Nature notebook to follow um, how the seasons are changing. So they can do directly with these groups, and there are these blogs. I think they are interesting. The International Astronomical Union has links to very nice blogs, not blogs, but citizen science groups. They are being promoted and supported by scientists. So they don't need us. They go directly there. And one of those that I like a lot is the Zooniverse. So Zooniverse, and I was playing this morning with it. In fact, I signed up for the Planet Hunter, which is pretty cool. Now I can't go there. There you go. So Galaxy Zoo, Mike, I don't know if you find the time again. Your priority now that you are in the tenure part, your priority is to get your classes going, the best you can, and also um, you have some side classroom, you know, work that you already are trying to launch. You have the physical science groups. You have um, the implementation of posters and nice pictures in our corridor. So you have a lot to do. But if it's something you want to do, here are some ideas. The Galaxy Zoo is very nice. Is to do galaxy classification and join a group of people who are going through um, all these large database of galaxies. I think it's this the All Sky Survey, and helping to classify galaxies that have not been easily classified with software. So I didn't play a lot with it, and TESS is a good one. It's a planet search that's going on now, and then you might want to check also that and see if you'd like to kind of help people in that project. I think would be nice if if something could be done along those lines. And I would like for our kids in the middle school, um, probably next year when they are in the high school, I would like them to be part of this Planet Hunter or Galaxy Zoo, or the Moon Zoo is another one, and help to do classifications. So they get somehow involved. But anyways, um, that goes on to show what we are doing here in Evergreen. So we have this Stonehenge that Rick Francisco is trying to bring about for more than a year, I think, as far as I remember. Uh, we have the Space Academy, that was a nice name, Space Technology Academy, and Olenka helped to give that name. This is what we thought when we submit the includes proposal, was to have an undergraduate research program in community college. And now this idea is gone because we can't do it. It's too complicated. You need money. You need people. You don't have neither of them. And the students don't stay here too long, especially now that we wanted them to be out of here in 2 years maybe. But we had this project with pre-main sequence stars. I had the students. It was just me and the students. Pranati and Kirtana, they are not underrepresented. Huang was. Um, he had some struggles with money, so that would be a good one. It was in a nice high school that we interest us. And C1 Fun, I mean, he was also helping out with his cosmic ray detectors. That is now is also being supported by the club. But that's the idea we had in the past. Um, and now we are pretty much in our EVC Citizen Science Initiative, EVC's CSI. And in that, we are studying pre-main sequence stars, and we have this pipeline to underserved kids. So these are the three things that essentially we are kind of hosting now, and we want to go with those things and grow. So, Charles, I don't know if there is a project that you envision you could maybe work with community members, in large scale. I don't know if there are lots of database in chemistry out there that you could make use of and interface with the parents or guide the parents or I don't know. But the idea of integrate community members with faculty at Evergreen and establish this communication or this culture of STEM with our neighbors. That would be fantastic. I mean, if you could think about something to lead this afternoon, that would be great. Same thing with Mike. In astronomy, there is more of that out there, Mike. But I know you have also a lot in your plate. But think about it. You might find yourself interested in lead on some projects. I don't know. But that's what I would like to show you before 5 o'clock.